Hi there, welcome to Chef Nico's Kitchen. In this video, I will show you how to make your favorite chicken sorrentino, an Italian classic made of tender sautéed chicken, with prosciutto, thin sliced eggplant in a rich tomato sauce topped with melted cheese and fresh basil. Don't forget at the end of this video to hit the like button, and subscribe if you haven't yet, so that you won't miss any new upcoming video recipes. For the ingredients and instructions of this recipe, see the section below under More. Start this recipe by preheating the oven to 400 degrees and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Wash and slice off both rounded ends of the eggplant, then stripe it and stand it up on its widest flat side, and slice through the eggplant vertically to make long even slabs 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick. Arrange the sliced eggplant in a single layer on the prepared baking sheet. If you are out of parchment paper, use aluminum foil well coated with oil or shortening, or simply grease your pan directly with oil. Lightly brush both sides of the sliced eggplant with olive oil, and sprinkle the top side with salt and pepper. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit 200 degrees Celsius until golden and tender, about 22 to 25 minutes. Alternatively, you can also fry the eggplant in a large skillet over medium heat for 3 minutes on each side. If your chicken cutlets come clean and pre-cut, move on to the next step. On the other hand, if you are using full breasts, you'll need to fillet and pound them. Place the chicken breast flat on a cutting board, and using a sharp knife, slice the chicken breasts in half horizontally lengthwise, making 2 roughly equal pieces. Then, on a clean cutting board, place each sliced chicken breast inside a zip-top bag or between 2 pieces of plastic wrap and gently pound them to about 1/4 inch thick. Sprinkle the sliced chicken on both sides with salt and pepper, as well the half cup of flour for dusting the chicken. Heat a large skillet over medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter and let melt. Dredge to coat the chicken in flour on both sides, then shake off the excess. Working in batches, cook the chicken until browned, about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Once done, remove the chicken to a clean plate. Return the pan to medium-high heat. Add the white wine, bring to a simmer and cook until reduced by half, 1 to 2 minutes. Add 2 ladles of your favorite tomato sauce, about 1.5 cups, to the pan and few tablespoons of water, if needed. Lower the heat to low, add the chicken back to the pan and let simmer in the sauce until cooked through, about 2 minutes. Once the eggplant is ready, remove from the oven and set aside. After few minutes of simmering, flip the chicken and top it with the sliced prosciutto. Add the sliced baked eggplant to the chicken. Top with a dash of your favorite tomato sauce, a sprinkle of grated cheese, and sliced provolone or shredded mozzarella. Top with a lid and keep on low heat until the cheese melts. Alternatively, if your frying pan is all metal, no heat-resistant plastic, you can carefully melt the cheese in the oven under the broiler on high for 1 minute or until the cheese lightly melts. Once the cheese is nicely melted, serve your chicken sorrentino individually, or family style with pasta, spaghetti or penne, or sautéed veggies, or pair it with a mixed salad and crusty Italian bread. If this video was to your liking, give it a like, thumb up, and subscribe to this channel for all upcoming video recipes. Thank you for watching.